Installation and operation of 8-inch closed chamber glue machine with peristaltic pump. First, connect the device power cord. Connect the peristaltic pump power cord. Connect the vacuum pump power cord. There is a white dot on the connecting line. Aim at the white dot on the device. Press in. Just tighten. Connect the air pipe. Just tighten. Connect the peristaltic pump communication line. Align the notch. Press in. Tighten the screws on both sides with a screwdriver. Choose the right size suction cup. Align the notch. Install it. Tighten the screws. Place the sample in the center of the suction cup. Close the lid. Connect the peristaltic pump filling tube. Turn on the peristaltic pump power. Turn on the glue machine power. Click to enter the operation interface. Open the lid. Start the vacuum pump. Check if the sample is tightly sucked. If it is not firmly attached, readjust the position. Close the lid. Then start the glue. The sample starts to rotate. When the speed reaches the required, start the peristaltic pump. Liquid inflow can be observed. According to the set time, after the peristalsis, it will take some time to pump back the liquid. Prevent liquid from flowing out. Then after the rotation stops, turn off the vacuum pump. Open the lid. Remove the sample. End of operation.